Welcome to the video. This is one idea to make a blender juicer for a mini kitchen, store, or restaurant display. It is 1 1/8 inch tall with a 3/8 inch diameter. Materials are listed below the video. You can make the blender juicer in any color. I'm making the black one in this video. Gather the parts. To make the cord, cut embroidery floss 3.5 inches long. Separate 2 strands, glue those together, let dry. For the plug, punch 2 mini 4mm hearts. Glue cord floss to the center of 1 heart as shown. Then glue 2 1/2-inch plastic store tag bits on either side of the floss. After they're dry, glue a second heart on top, gently press. Clip the prong ends approximately 1/16 of an inch in length. Paint with silver, clip the heart sides, touch up with paint, and then seal. For the lid and dial pieces, punch 1 1/4 inch circle clear plastic piece, 4 1/8 inch circle clear plastic pieces, and 1 1/8 inch circle silver paper piece. Glue the 4 1/8 circle pieces into a stack. Then paint 1 large hole reinforcement piece in black. There are many ideas to use for the clear container, including pen or pencil body parts or mini baby bottles. I am using the tall slanted cap end from a twist-up crayon. The twist-up crayons also have a shorter slanted end that could be used as well. The container height is 11/16 inches tall. Here are some examples of containers. Cut a thin 1/8 inch piece of black quilling paper, 1.5 inches long, then form around the top of the container. Glue it paper to paper so it can be removed. Flip the painted black hole reinforcement lid over. Glue around the inside hole, place the large clear plastic circle on it, and press. When dry, flip over again. Glue the circled stack to the top center of the top of the lid. Now gently slide the lid sides up about 1/16 of an inch. Glue around the top edges of the side. Then place the lid top to the glued lid sides. For the base, I'm using a plastic decoration piece from a pen. They are available in many colors, or you could always paint it. Use the 1/4 inch black quilling strip to glue around the bottom of the base perimeter, about 1.5 inches in length. Clip and trim excess. Fold up the cord and glue it to the back of the base. Place glue on the bottom of the base. Add the silver reinforcement piece, press. Now glue the 2 4x7mm pony beads together. Then glue the small silver reinforcement piece on the top. Then glue the pony beads with the silver reinforcement inside the base. For the dial, glue the 1/8 inch silver circle in the front center of the base. Add paper or sticker pieces for dial marks, then seal. The base, container, and lid can now be assembled. Here are 2 more color options. You could display the blender juicer with fruits and vegetables, or make foam apples, see my prior videos, or make oven-baked clay for the other fruits and vegetables. That's ginger root in the center. You could also add juice or smoothie cups cut from clear straws and add rolled colored paper. I hope you like and share this video, making a mini blender juicer. Thank you so much for watching.